Every time we step out of our house, the places and spaces around us are having an impact on us, on our thought processes, our moods, our emotions, and even our biology.
When you look at a space that's been blighted and overrun with weeds and nobody's investing anything into it, you may walk past it and it may even make you have like a bad mood.
Looking at the vacant lots, right, as a young person, I mean, they're just walking by, they've just become desensitized to it. They're not a part of the community anymore.
Deeply Rooted is a joint initiative funded by both Penn Medicine and the Children's Hospital of Philadelphia that is trying to leverage what we know to be the healing power of nature to promote health and safety in Black and brown Philadelphia neighborhoods.
Green spaces are important for events, to have social gatherings, to have other functions. And the green space that we have are lot spaces, and a lot of those are abandoned, riddled with trash, and just not accessible for us to have our typical gatherings.
We did the first large-scale randomized controlled trial of vacant lot greening. We took vacant lots that were blighted with trash, overgrown weeds, dumping, and turned them into clean and green spaces. And what we found was remarkable. These spaces led to reductions in gun violence, up to 29% in neighborhoods below the poverty line. People living nearby reported to us that they felt less depressed. So there was this really strong connection between simple environmental interventions and people's mental health.
Through Deeply Rooted, we're going to be building mini parks throughout West and Southwest Philly. We're also going to have community activation grants to support environmental justice, and we're going to be developing a leadership and workforce development program.
Our lead green space implementation partner is the Pennsylvania Horticultural Society. They're the ones who will be planting the trees, greening the vacant lots.
It's the more best for the environment, because it kind of make you more healthier and thing, you see. So if we have more things like this, I think it will be more benefit to the community.
And doing this together as a community as well, it's something that's fun, right? Something that's enjoyable.
Like, we're talking about green spaces. Like, it's cool. You learn a new tool, and if you have a green thumb, you're learning how to plant, or you're enhancing those skills. So it's a lot to offer for a lot of different people, which is great because then you really start to touch the community too.
Community members really need to be at the center of all of this because they know their community best.
We started clearing out those weeds behind the hoop house. The rest of this is going in the next week or so. All of this has been done in the last 2 weeks. Hopefully we'll make this a beautiful space and make it a place that our community wants to come.
We have a park over there. We can actually call in some young youth to come and help with to plant some trees, and you understand me? So it kind of keep their mind focused on a different thing,
So we want to make sure that our community know how to plant, know how to grow on their own, so that they're able to build their own food and being able to sell those things.
I want parents in all of our neighborhoods to feel safe sending their kids out to play in green space. We chose the name Deeply Rooted to reference the groundedness and the strength that is already in our communities and neighborhoods.
This is the start of something really wonderful, something really huge, and it's going to pick up so much momentum. I'm excited.